a little step from me and traveling to the Seychelles. And it was so exciting to meet Maya and her family, especially her daughters. They're my loves. And please check how beautiful this place is. Everything has a higher humidity, and the rain made it really special, and it was absolutely beautiful. Mamino and Maya always spoiling me, and it was just the most delicious holiday ever.
Little water or
water and flour. It's here, you know, to stick.
Yes.
That's and it's only cabbage and
Carrot.
carrot. Yes. And fish sauce. Nothing else.
Fish sauce.
Because fish sauce is salt.
Is?
Salty.
Salty, yes.
Yes. Did you send her?
Yes.
You sent her?
Yes.
I will right now to Maya. Gabriela changed her mind. She wants to stay here.
I'll come back.
Mamino wants me to go to Seychelles and work there forever, but that didn't happen. But it was a good dream while it lasted. What do you think? Should I move anywhere else?
Without stress. You may, who knows what happened today at the Eden Blue Hotel? With the
Wish I filmed everything that Mamino cooked because it was so beautiful and delicious. The flavors of the vegetables, the roots, and the fruits are really amazing, and they are to live for, especially avocados and bananas. We took day trips and we explored the mountains and the beaches, and what a little piece of heaven that you could put your toes in. I was just so happy that I could swim. I don't remember swimming so much. I love this mesmerizing moment that allows me just to be in touch with nature, and it was so peaceful and relaxing. I have to say that I go to this place when I need to relax and fantasize about the most beautiful place in the world. On the first day, I went to the beach, always on the shade, but then I was swimming too much and the sun was out, and look what happened. Yes, full of Nivea to protect myself, to hydrate, to nurture my skin, because I was burned. As soon as I go to the beach and I stay more than half an hour, I will get burned if I'm outside in the sun. So the only option for me is to actually, hide, and go slowly, like 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, and I didn't do it. And as I didn't do it, I got burned. I was very, very careless, and it's really, really sad because I'm always in the shade, but I was swimming for more than 1 hour, so I got badly burned. And at this point, I didn't bring my things. I didn't bring my creams, How is this possible? I was in pain and I was crying. I used banana peels and aloe vera. But Maya again pampered me with an amazing dinner, and we had a little bit of authentic Seychelles meal with delicious fish and Asian stir fries, shrimp, you name it. We celebrated. Being with my girls is just the best thing ever. Oh my God, the best thing. This is the bill of Seychelles, what it looks like. I think it was so beautiful. And we went for some drinks, and I think that we took a few pictures. They were the best, and then it was time just to come back. So sad. This is my beach forever.
Yes, but you will come again.
Time I'll stay for a year or so.
Yes.
Years, decide. So I'm having like a beautiful plastic rain dress before I go, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Bye. We're together for so many good hours. Let's see here.
Does the thing bother you?
No, not at all. I love it. Da, 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 da. At least I got a good suntan. I have angel wings in my chest.
Yes,
So,
that's true.
what else can I ask for?
Yes.
Life is beautiful. And me too.
Be clever, be smart.
Wise words and memories treasured forever and ever. So happy and sad that we had to go, but Seychelles is always a wonderful place in my heart. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like and comment, and thank you so much for being here, and hope you enjoyed this travel vlog to the Seychelles. Now enjoy your flight back to London. What a wonderful trip. What a wonderful flight. Sun above the clouds and a little rain when we touched down. Welcome to London.